Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a simple everyday makeup tutorial. I do this makeup look on days that I don't have time for a full beat, or if I'm just feeling lazy and don't feel like putting on lashes, lipstick, and all of that. So yeah, if you want to see how I do this makeup tutorial, then go ahead and keep on watching. To start off, I'm going to prep my skin. So I'm going to be using the Sephora under eye cream. I just got this and I just started using it, so far I like it because it's not super thick, but I mean I haven't used it that much to see if it has done a lot of changes yet. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna be using my face moisturizer, just the Tarte one that I always use. And then I'm gonna go in with my Tarte First Step Prep. It's just like a skin primer, not really like a primer, but it's like a moisturizer and like primer mixed. I just use this before I put on all my makeup because it just helps it. And then don't forget to moisturize your lips. I just use Vaseline. I used to use all these different kinds, but this is what works best for me, so whatever you have for your lip balm. Moving on to the brows, I just used the Anastasia Brow Definer. I do have a brow tutorial, so you can go to there. But when doing your brows for like no eye makeup looks, I would definitely recommend making your brows lighter, because if you make it darker, it is gonna make you look a little bit more done, and it also just like, it doesn't balance well with you not having like any eye makeup or lipstick or anything like that. So if you are gonna do like no lashes and no lipstick, then just stay on the lighter side of your brows. And I naturally do my brows lighter anyways, just because I like it that way. But if I do like colorful eye looks or just darker eye looks, I do darker brows just so that they can stand out more. And then I'm going to use the Benefit Precising My Brow. This is in shade 3. And then I just use this to basically shape the missing, or fill in the missing parts in my brows, because I have a lot of bald spots. And then also to just darken it just a little bit more. Now that the brows are done, everything else is gonna go by really quick. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with the Hangoverx Too Faced Primer. I like this one when I'm not wearing a lot of makeup because it is lightweight and I don't need like a full-on matte look. I still like to stay a little bit more like dewy, I would say, when I do these kind of looks. And then for my foundation, I'm going in with the Peach Perfect foundation. It is a comfort matte and it is a little bit more light to medium coverage, I would say. So I had to turn the rest of this into a voiceover because I was watching my baby niece and her piano was pretty loud. But anyways, I am now applying concealer on and I'm using my No Filter concealer by Colourpop. So I'm just going to put that under my eyes and in my problem areas and my T-zone. I'm going to be baking now, and yes, I do still bake when I'm doing a natural look just because my under eyes crease really bad. And after I'm done with the bake, I go ahead and just apply that powder all over my face to set the foundation. And I'm using my Hangoverx loose powder. I'm now taking in my bronzer. This is Laguna by Nars, and I do go a little bit lighter with it for these kind of natural looks, and then I'm just using a big fluffy brush. And then for my nose contour, I'm still going to be using my Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer for that. And after I go ahead and contour that, I will go ahead and wipe off all the excess powder on my face to also make the nose contour not so harsh as well. Now onto my favorite part is applying blush. It will just literally bring your face back to life. I use the Flower Child blush by Becca, and then for my highlighter I'm going to be using Fuego from the Dose of Colors DesixKaty collection, and then go ahead and just apply on mascara. You can just do your eyes bare, but I like to apply mascara just to open up my eyes just a little bit. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and just set your face and fan it out and you should be all set. And then here I'm just making sure I have all the excess powder and foundation off of my lips since I won't be putting on lipstick. Alrighty guys, that completes the video for today. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys want to see in the future. Bye guys. Oh.